So I totally didn't even start my video today. I just got home from school and I'm starting my video. I'm really mad because today's Monday and my package is supposed to be here tomorrow, which is Tuesday, but tonight into tomorrow we're supposed to get like a huge amount of snow. Starting at 9 p.m. today, we're supposed to get like a huge amount of snow. I probably won't have school tomorrow, maybe not Wednesday. I don't really want to sit here for 2 days, possibly, with no camera, because that would suck. It would be perfect, because I can make vlogs outside and do all this other stuff, and it would be really fun. Right now, I just got home. I am about to go get food, and then later on we're going to the Y. I guarantee that tomorrow will probably be a snow vlog. Hey, Chloe. Hey.
A fish. That's a poster in French.
Look at them doing homework right here. And I am doing nothing. Just eating my sweatshirt. Oh, it's so empty. Goodness, coffee. Ooh. So I'm sitting here editing my video, and I realized I didn't end the video last night, so I'm going to do that real quick right now. If you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.